Money that never sleeps sounds amazing. Can your money really work for you? Some people are already living this life. Doesn't it feel unfair that while many people work all day and night, others keep getting richer even when they close their eyes? That feeling hurts, but it also gives hope, because you can change it too. Passive income is the key. It is like having a secret helper that never gets tired. It feels like planting one tiny seed and watching it grow into a tree that gives fruits year after year, even when you do nothing. Wouldn't you love to wake up and see money waiting for you instead of stress? In this video, we will look at 7 strong assets that can give you passive income, free your time, and help you build a brighter future. Let's get started. 1. Seeds of rental homes. Owning rental homes is one of the oldest and strongest ways to earn passive income. When you buy a house, apartment, or flat and let someone live in it, they pay you rent every month. That money comes to you even if you are resting at home, studying, or traveling. At first, buying a property can feel difficult because houses cost a lot of money. A small flat in the city might cost $50,000 to $100,000. But once you own it, you can earn $500 to $1,000 every month or more, depending on the location and size. Over time, the value of the property can also rise, meaning you could sell it later for much more money than you paid. Many people start small with just one flat and slowly buy more houses, eventually owning multiple buildings. The rent money feels like a reward for being patient and smart with your money. Owning homes not only gives regular income, but also provides a safe and long-term asset that grows over the years. 2. Power of dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are another strong asset for earning passive income. When you buy shares of a company, you become a small owner of that company. Big companies like banks, food brands, or energy firms often share part of their profit with their shareholders, which is called a dividend. You do not need to work at the company, you just need to own the shares. Every 3 or 6 months, you can see money appear in your bank account. If a company gives $2 per share, and you own 50 shares, you will get $100 without doing any work. If you buy more shares over time, this money grows bigger and bigger. The best part is that the company does all the work, and you earn money just by trusting them. Dividend stocks are like owning a small money machine that quietly gives you cash for years. People often combine them with long-term investments to grow even more wealth slowly and safely. 3. Gold that shines. Forever. Gold is one of the oldest and most trusted ways to save and grow money. People have used gold for thousands of years because it stays strong even when paper money loses value. You can buy gold bars, gold coins, or digital gold online. Its value usually goes up slowly over time, which makes it safe to keep. If you buy a gold coin for $100, after a few years it might be worth $120 or $150 depending on the market. You do not need to polish it or manage it every day. It quietly stays safe and grows in value. Some banks and stores even let you earn a small extra income by renting or lending gold. Gold is special because it works even when other money systems are weak. Keeping gold is like holding a secret treasure that grows quietly while you focus on other things. People keep gold to feel safe, have steady value, and slowly increase their wealth over the years. 4. Books that keep paying. Writing a book or creating an ebook can also become a very strong asset. At first, it takes effort to write, edit, and publish your book. You might spend weeks or months working on it, but once it is finished, people can buy it online for years without needing your constant work. Every time someone buys your book, money comes into your account automatically. Some people write stories, others write guides, lessons, or how-to books. Even if the book costs $5 or $10, the money adds up slowly over time. If 100 people buy a $5 book each month, that is $500 a month for doing no extra work. It feels amazing to sleep or play and see sales coming in. A book is like a voice that keeps talking for you even when you are silent. Many writers earn money for years just because they worked hard once and let the book keep working for them. 5. Music that never sleeps. Music can be one of the most powerful ways to earn money that keeps coming for a long time. If you write songs, record music, or make beats, you can put them online on platforms like Spotify, YouTube, or Apple Music. And every time someone listens, downloads, or uses your music in a video, you earn money. Even one song can keep giving money for many years if people enjoy it. Some musicians earn enough from just a few popular songs to pay all their bills and live comfortably. Music is special because it does not get old fast. New listeners find it every day, and each play adds a little more to your account. You do not have to work again once it is uploaded, but it keeps giving income while you sleep, study, or play. Creating music is like planting a tree. You water it once and it keeps growing and giving fruit. The more people hear your songs, the bigger your rewards become. 6. Online courses that teach forever. Making an online course is another amazing way to earn money that continues without constant work. If you know something useful, like cooking, drawing, learning a new language, fixing computers, or even simple school lessons, you can make a course about it. First, you spend time recording lessons with clear explanations, showing step-by-step how to do things. Then you upload it to online platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. Every student who buys your course pays you money, even while you sleep, eat, or play. Some courses sell for $10, $20, $50, or even $100 per student. At first, it takes effort to record, edit, and organize the lessons, but after that, the same videos keep earning money for months and years without extra work. Online courses are like building a classroom that never closes. You teach once, and your students keep learning while you earn. It is a smart way to turn your knowledge into a long-term source of money that grows quietly in the background. 7. Websites that earn for you. Owning a website is one of the strongest ways to make passive income that can last for years. A website with blogs, tips, guides, news, or simple information can bring visitors every single day. When people visit your website, you can earn money in different ways, like showing ads, adding affiliate links, or selling small products online. A good website grows slowly like a tree. At first, it might only bring a few dollars each month, but if you keep adding content, sharing it, and helping visitors, more people come, and your income grows bigger. Some websites even start small and later sell for thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars. A website is like a shop that never closes. It works all day and night for people around the world. You do not have to be there. It keeps giving money while you sleep, play, or study. The secret is patience and care. The more helpful your website is, the more people come, the more clicks happen, and the more money comes to you. Passive income means your money works for you. Rental homes, dividend stocks, gold, books, music, online courses, and websites can keep paying you even when you rest. You don't need to chase money every day. Instead, you can build assets that grow slowly over time. Start small, be patient, and watch your income rise like a tree getting bigger each year. Every little step counts, and small earnings can become big later. Like planting seeds today, you enjoy the fruits tomorrow. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more simple tips on earning smart money. Share it with friends and family so they can start building their own assets too. Remember, your money can grow quietly while you sleep.